Super activated day in the land of the living. Welcome back to the channel. Today, what we're going to talk about reinvigorate your ideas with audio and video. We put together one slide, so it's not going to be a long video. In that slide, we're going to cover insights on how you can take your older ideas, put them to good use. On this slide, we have 4 specific sections, and then you can come back on the rewatch. You could take notes, you could think about them. Maybe you're already thinking about doing this. The first section that we would like to cover on this slide is reinvigorated ideas. When it comes to creative ideas, you may want to think twice. For instance, imagine you had hundreds of audio-visual pieces of art that you self-produced ages ago. The fact that they may be stuck on a Porsche hard drive just is not right. Put that material into the ecosystem, and it does you no use on a hard drive. Share it. The second section on this slide is to start a series. How useful to someone else is that idea, data, or art stored on your hard drive? It is only right you share your art. You can virtually start fresh, or you can start an audio-visual series where each upload or post covers one piece of the collection. If you have a project that is 10 songs, you could take those 10 songs and then you could release each one individually, and then you could do your own review. Third key takeaway from this slide is philosophy. Share your philosophy about what you were thinking at the time you were being creative. Cover important methods used working on that idea. Talk about the things you realize now that you didn't realize and that you didn't know at the original moments you were being creative. Because we can look back or we can look forward. Hindsight and foresight. The fourth and last insight, procrastination. There is a reason why you are able to see your creative ideas through into a tangible form. You're creative, so you'll always have a great excuse. They will be of little use because your ideas are important, and people need to hear what you've worked hard on at scale. If you've made it to this section of the video, thanks a ton for stopping by. Like, share, and one more thing, subscribe to the channel. We would greatly appreciate that. Much love, respect, and peace in.